Give this one. Now, what do you guys say? You gotta look at me and say it. Kids, look at Mom.
Happy 4th of July, Uncle Al.
Sis. What do you say?
4th of July, Uncle Al.
Babe, tell us before you do it. I wanted an M80 on the 4th, Al, but my dad. Say happy 4th, Dad.
Happy 4th of July, Uncle Al.
He got it too late. Mom was already in bed, or sis was. So here we go. Cover your ears, guys. Cover your ears, sis. Cover your ears.
Why?
Love you, brother.
What's that mean?
Love you, Al.
Say love you, Al.
What's that mean, Nene?
Love you.
Love ya.
Sis.
Love ya. See you when I go to heaven.
Love you, brother.